Good morning. Saturday morning. We're out here trying to get this money. We're going to start today out by the cruise ports. That's where I'm headed now. It's 8 a.m. I did start out about 7:15. Took a ride out somewhere where I thought I might be able to get lucky and get an airport ride, but dead. And I know we've all been going through it, so I'm going to run you through my day today. Yeah. Let's get it.
Perfect.
Good morning, you. How you doing? Terminal 25. No way. It's clean. No dirt in it. You're damn right. Thank you, dear. All right. So we got 4 trips in this morning, 3 out of the port, and then I got a trip from the east end. Sorry, camera's a little crooked. From the east end, out back west to Sawgrass Mills. We're gonna park and wait. 2 trips, $42 on Uber. 2 trips, $33 on Lyft. And it is, what time is it? It's 10:56. So we're gonna park and wait. Next to 2 hotels. We'll see if we get something going back to the airport. All right, so it's 3 o'clock. I'm gonna shut it down for a few hours. I need to go get some food. We're at 111 on Uber, 4 trips, 87 and change on Lyft for 4 trips. So 8 trips, what, 200 bucks, plus about $20 in cash tips. So not terrible for the morning, not great either. I mean, it's grinding right now, right? It's slow. So you gotta grind. You gotta grind. And even if that means you gotta pivot what you think you should be making in order to make the money. I mean, it's just the way it is. And it's gonna be this way for a while. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to get some food. I am going to go get a buffalo chicken cheesesteak from Charlie's Cheesesteaks. And if you haven't had one of those yet, if you got one in your area, you got to go check them out, bro. God damn, they're good. Anyway, all right, so I got some rest. I came out, and as soon as I came out, I put fuel in the truck, immediately got a ride that wound up extending. So I went from West Fort Lauderdale, Panther Arena, to Miami Beach. It's a decent ride. It was 37 miles, paid $73. That's about right. But I had the apps on. I came all the way back up with the apps on. No requests anywhere, right? I get back here into a heavily bonus zone. And let me tell you something, Lyft's got jokes, man. That first ride I took when I came back out tonight was an Uber ride. Uber's been doing me right. They've been doing me right with the pay for the trip. Lyft? Bro, Lyft's got jokes. They got a lot of jokes. They just tried to send me on a 36-mile ride for $56. And that was with a $5.50 bonus. Like, Lyft's got jokes. All right, so we're gonna call it a night. It's 11 o'clock. This out here is crazy right now. God damn it, I can't even keep my camera straight. Anyway, I got one more ride. It's a 14-mile ride for $30. Guys were at the Panther game. They're Boston fans or whatever. So I'm gonna finish at like 300. It's like 212 on Uber, 87 on Lyft. You know, and a couple cash tips here and there. But on the apps, just about $300. I got to be honest, man. I haven't turned down this many rides since, like, I can't remember when. Like, Lyft is just absolutely swinging at XL rides, Lux rides. You know, the one Lux Black ride wanted me to go 20 miles for $44. which would have been about right. But it was an 8-mile pickup. Like, I don't know what's going on with Lyft. I know their stock price is moving up. I'm calling it the pre-earnings pump. But I'm telling you, Lyft, I'm gonna get my money off y'all. Yeah, that's right. February 7th and 8th, I'm gonna get my money off y'all. I don't like turning down trips. I'm out here to make money. But it's gotta make sense, man. And if the math, ain't right, my ROI is shit. And I'm not trying to do that. So anyway, $300 on the apps, couple dollars on tips. We're gonna take it. Tomorrow's another day. That's a typical Saturday. And yeah, we'll catch y'all later. Peace out.